Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change music length on Facebook story. So you have to open your Facebook app. So when it's open, so you will have to click to the plus button of create story on the left corner. So I will choose randomly of any picture that will I place to music. So I will randomly add any music like this one on the first one. So I will click to the music, so it will be able to get more options to length, close and long, short and long. So you have to with your fingertips you can adjust with slowly close to short length, and you have to, if you want to your length music length was long, so you can with your fingertips get stretch long and it will be longed. So it's very easy. This is how to change Facebook music story length. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.